Our challenge was on the lack of food traceability systems, and our proposed solution focused on having an integrated system utilizing the blockchain and Internet of Things technologies to have a cost-effective food traceability system.
We've been through a great journey working in a problem with NEOM to reduce the CO2 emissions that is negatively impacting the environment and the quality of life in NEOM from food logistics. We understood the problem clearly, analyzed the data to come up with a solution which is about an integrated system of logistics means such as train, magway, and autonomous vehicle to transfer the containers from the port to the retailers.
So during the past 6 months, we had the pleasure of working directly with NEOM's team. Our problem was to tackle the issue of changing consumer perception on lab-grown meat. And we developed a framework that NEOM's team can utilize in applying this in real life. It includes solutions to many of the barriers that NEOM could face. That includes some psychological barriers, some economical barriers.
Our challenge is to integrate seafood inventory with the customer demand. By that, we are proposing a solution that is basically developing a business model to cost sustainability. Our solution is basically alignment three important elements: market, where we define our market segment and value proposition; technology, where we are introducing a blockchain technology; and organization capability, where we are introducing the brand strategy of NEOM and the use of NEOM resources in sufficient way.
As a team, we had the challenge of reducing food waste by incentivizing nearly expired products in NEOM. So we were able to create a marketplace that sells near expiry foods to businesses in need.
Our idea was to find a solution for the challenge of food overconsumption and food waste. According to the Ministry of Environment, Water and Agriculture, the Kingdom is the first place in food waste around the globe. And our solution was to find the successful regulations around the world and modify them to solve this problem. Our solution was to specify the daily calories for each person and to regulate the advertisement of the meals that the customers and consumers can take. Then we will reduce the food overconsumption and food waste by that solution, inshallah ta'ala, in the future.
Our task was to find a solution for unhealthy dietary behaviors in the Kingdom and in turn in NEOM. Our solution was fixing dietary behaviors via legislation. The legislations we proposed included taxes on unhealthy food, subsidies on healthy food, increased education in the schooling age for children regarding nutrition, and finally, accurate nutrition labels that are updated to be provided for all foods, including cooked and uncooked foods.
As you know, more than 33% of food is wasted in Saudi Arabia, which is very costly. So our challenge is to enhance the inventory management system for food supply chain to reduce that food waste. Our solution is to use graphene as a material, which is edible material in food products, so the end user can scan it and see the whole information from the producer until the retailers.
Our challenge was how can NEOM produce its own food and in the most efficient way, using or leveraging their location and the natural resources. Also, how can this solution be self-sufficient and generate income for itself and contributing to NEOM economy. Our solution was to build a vertical farm, and this vertical farm is self-sufficient, solving the common challenges for a vertical farm from energy and water, leveraging sunlight and seawater.